fantastic kind of world. My manic is panicking if I'm really the type of girl who stays.
We are all set. I think I'm going to pay already.
Some type of interaction not too far from here.
Yay! Morning, guys. I'm still sleepy. Got my coffee. Yay! On our way up. Got the good. Bye!
Keep right to continue on call. Ronnie Serrano Avenue. Turn right onto Caterpillar Avenue. Signs from Blue Ridge A.
Bro,
Sabihin niyo pa, obvious naman kayo.
what can you say?
Sabihin niyo pa, obvious naman kayo. Sir!
Hindi pa tayo nakita niyo pa. Yup.
So guys, thank you for the surprise at the end. Now, the important part, which is to eat. Let's all have lunch. Let's start with lunch. Sige, pwede.
Over the years.
Hello. Hi, sir. Kanina nasa-stress ako kasi. Say something about Sir Rocky. Kasi he's just, of course, not memorable to all of us and special to all of us. Marami rin si Sir Rocky na former CCP associates na we work with, and until now, they still like we keep in touch with Sir Rocky.
That's one of the hallmarks of CCP, that we are prepared. So never go into a negotiation without being prepared. You should know the relationship between Section 3 and Section 8, and what happens if you touch Section 5. So this only comes from preparation. Intelligence will not help you if you are not prepared. The second one is you have to know the business of the client. Everybody, all lawyers should know the law. Well, that's a big assumption. But our advantage is knowing the business of the client. How is money made? What are the risks? these are not legal issues, these are business issues. And if you know the business side of things, you can help the client a lot more. In fact, the client will be impressed that you are actually sympathetic to those issues, because most lawyers don't even want to delve into the business or commercial issues, or even the technical issues. So if you can learn about the project, now there's an internet. We didn't have an internet during our time. Then learn about the project. So if it's a power project, you should know the difference between AC and DC, and it has nothing to do with preference. So, meron kasing lawyer nagsabi, bakit daw may AC-DC sa usapan? Yes, it's Korean. So, anyway, the third one is if you get a chance to talk to the billionaires, the businessmen, then talk to them, because you learn a lot of lessons from these people. They may not be lawyers, but they are definitely very successful, and they also want to know how or what makes you tick. So what makes you function, what are your views. Interesado rin sila. Don't ever think that the rich people don't want to know what their lawyer is thinking. So gusto rin nilang makausap tayo. So those three, be prepared, learn the business of the client, and talk to the billionaires. So, billionaires lang. Shangri-La effect. Alam mo ba yung Shangri-La effect?
Explain ulit.
Kailan ba natin explain? Merong movie, an old movie, two explorers went to the Himalayas. Snow all over. Suddenly they found a place where there was no snow. All the people were kind. It was a nice place. And it was called Shangri-La. And this guy, who was from New York, said, why are there no old people in Shangri-La? They said, because it's a magical place. Okay. So he fell in love with one of the residents, and he got bored after a year. So sabi niya, wala nangyayari sa Shangri-La. It's too cozy, it's too perfect, it's too happy. So I want to go back to New York. But he wanted to bring the girlfriend along. So he convinced the girlfriend, let's go to New York, you see my world. I've seen yours, you see my world. So they go out, and as they pass the gates of Shangri-La, the girl crumbled into dust. And that's what will happen when you leave Shangri-La. Almost. So, I believe that. In fact, I take extra effort. Pagkarap ko XCC, pinaparamdam ko sa kanya yung Shangri-La. So hindi ako matutulog, maghahanap ako ng weakness in their argument. And next day, paparamdam ko sa kanya, you made a mistake, you left Shangri-La. And that's the consequence. Of course, many of them are oblivious because Shangri-La effect, part of the Shangri-La effect is being oblivious. You don't know that you're already being hit with the Shangri-La effect. They don't know. They don't know. So, okay, so ano ba ang pwede natin sabihin? Ano ba? Si Teng, you could have told me na... Yeah, it's true, I met AMS when he was in Pocor and he was not at a lawyer. I think he was with the risk management group, yes. That's about insurance and another argument on what insurance to take for the power project. And a few more years, I was surprised that he was applying for work in CC. And I think he's the only engineer, true. When we had one before, a lady who left. Ano sila?
Raymond, industrial engineer.
Oh, I'm talking about true engineers. Engineer naman. Dahil sa UP noon, yung civil engineering, CE, tawag namin konting engineering. Yung mechanical, ME, medyo engineering. Medyo yung EE, eng na eng. Yun yung true engineering. But industrial. Hindi eh.
Hi! Hi, chubby pie!
Ooh, it's so cold here.
Bye!
Direct answer, either yes or no. Are you going to provide a direct answer? Honorable member. So, what
We are all set. I think I'm going to pay already. Bye.
You're falling to catch life, speeding to pass time, yeah. Gravity won't let you go, no. Gravity won't let you